Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up important files and note your HP model so you can follow exact BIOS labels. Once ready, reboot and press ESC then F10 to enter BIOS/UEFI timing matters. In BIOS, go straight to Security and System Configuration to find TPM, often labeled FTPM or PTT, and the Secure Boot menu. Enable TPM and set it to Tpm 2.0 if a choice exists. Enable UEFI mode and leave changes unsaved for now so you can continue to the next step. Once you have TPM on, make sure boot mode is UEFI because Secure Boot needs UEFI and Legacy/CSM off. If Windows is installed on an MBR disk, use the built-in MBR2 GPT tool from Windows Recovery or an elevated command prompt to convert to GPT without data loss. This makes the system compatible with Secure Boot. After conversion, return to BIOS, set Secure Boot to Standard or Windows mode, and enroll factory keys if prompted. Save changes and reboot into Windows to verify. After reboot, open Windows Security Device Security to confirm TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot show as active. This is the why Riot Vanguard requires both. If they show active but Valorant still errors, uninstall Vanguard, run Valorant installer as administrator to reinstall the anti-cheat, and reboot. If TPM or Secure Boot are missing, reset BIOS to defaults, then re-enable TPM and UEFI/Secure Boot again. Troubleshooting tip. If Secure Boot fails to stay enabled, check for third-party drivers or storage controllers that require signed drivers and update them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.